guys, today I'll be showing how to download, install and configure GNS3 for Mac LAN. So as requested by a user on the comments posted on my last video, so I made some research on it and I'll be showing you how to do it. Okay, so let's go. Access to your web browser and go to GNS3.net. Okay, it's a pretty similar like Windows. So you go to the right corner, click on download, access to the download page. So over here you have to choose now the version adapted to your operating system. As we are concerned, it is GNS3 0.8.2 LAN DMG package. So let's click on it. Okay, so we are redirected to SourceForge and the download has started. So let's come back when download. Okay, so now our download is over now. So let's go back to the document. So access to download through Finder over here. Okay, so here is our setup. I click and click on open. So the setup has been mounted. So right now it's the same setup as any basic software in Mac. Just access to applications directory and drag and drop GNS3 icon from the drive mounted to application directory. Okay, let's reduce this. Okay, over here you can see the GNS3 icon is there. So let's open it. Okay, here is a warning message. It's an application that has been downloaded from internet. So it's a warning message. Just click on open. Okay, just bear with me if the system is a little bit slow. It's because I'm using a virtual machine for that. Okay, so let's continue. Here we are to the setup wizard. To the step 1 is asking to check the path to Dynamics. So it's the same procedure as we did for Windows. Okay, click on the one and we'll just test the path whether it's working or not. Okay, over here leave it as it is for the moment and be sure that the settings are same like here. Click on test settings and the message should come. Okay, here we are, Dynamics 0.2.8 successfully started. But in a case in which you have some error message like Dynamics can't be started, just click on this browse button on the right hand side of the path. Click on it. Okay, so the file we are looking for it is here, Dynamics 0.2.8 RC3 community AS6 Intel 64. So let's find this file here. As you can see, here we are, Dynamics Intel 64.bin. Select that file and click on open. Again you can test the settings. As you can see, the message remains exactly the same. So it means that our Dynamics has been successfully installed. In this version I won't be able to show you for QEMU since it's required some other software to be installed for Mac users. Maybe I'll be doing for the next video, but today I'll be just showing you for Dynamics, since the main things to do with GNS3, because it emulates the iOS Cisco iOS. Okay, so here you can just test it, and you'll see failed to start QEMU. So this is the problem right now. VirtualBox also is the same thing. Since we don't have this software installed in our machine, so it will also display an error message. Here the file is already there, but VirtualBox is not installed, so you'll be getting this error message. But for the moment you have to take Dynamics, since it's the one available in the GNS3. Let me show you. See, across the name of the package, here you have includes Dynamics. As you can see here, for Windows it includes Dynamics, QEMU, POMU, POD. All these software are all included in one, but here for Mac you have only Dynamics available. Okay, so let's continue. I'll be showing at the end any other method to do it. Okay, since now the Dynamics have been set up, let's click on OK, and let's go to the step 2 now. Configure the path to the iOS image directory. So let's click on number 2. Here we are on the left hand side. You'll have general. It's better to leave the path as it is. Here you have the syntax: user, username, GNS3 and project. Better you leave it as it is, since the default settings will be easily accessible for you. Anyway, you can just make the path as you wish, but in my case I'll leave the default settings. Here we are, same thing. Just click on OK. In the step 3, add one or more uncompressed iOS images. So since in the step 2 we just remember the path where we need to store the projects and images, you have to find by yourself the iOS image. So as I said previously in my previous videos, I won't provide you any links or anything else to download the iOS images. You have to find it by yourself. If you have any Cisco device, you can just take from it. Otherwise, Google is your friend. Okay, so let's close it. Here, what I'll do, I'll just go to the document. Have one image there. Go to where you stored your image before. Take the image, copy. Here I have copied in documents, so I'll be there to copy, and go to your roots, user and username, and here we are, GNS3 folder is there. Click on it. See, now you have images and projects. Go to image and paste it here. As you can see here, I'm using a 3725 images iOS. Okay, that's it. Okay, here now you can try it again. Click on image file, the button just on the right hand side of image file. Okay, go through there and find the image, click on it and open. Right now we should ask to uncompress the image. Yeah. Okay, see here the iOS image is compressed. Would you like to uncompress it? Click on yes. This will make your router to run more faster. Yeah, so it will take a while. This is mainly due to the fact that I'm using a virtual machine, so I mean the resources are okay. Now the image has been uncompressed. You can see here the idle PC hasn't been set. We'll do it after. And here the platform is 3700, the model 3725. Leave the default settings, and for a base config leave it as it is. I'll show you after to do it in this case. Okay, let's save it, the config. Save. Here you have a warning message, idle PC will have to be configured. We'll do it on next step. Close it, and that's it for the setup wizard. Click on OK, and now we are ready to use our router. So since we used the 3725 image, so we'll be taking the router C3700. Just drag and drop. We'll be doing a small topology for that. Here you can see the base config file, baseconfig.txt can be found. So it will start with a blank config. So the basic operation for the router, right click on it, start. Here you can see on the right hand side over here is a red color, means that the router hasn't been started yet. So we'll take a while. So now the color changes, is now in green color, means the router has started now. Here you can see router R1 is running. Right click on it. Now we'll set up the idle PC, otherwise the computer usage will reach 100% and we won't be able to use it efficiently. So go to right click on it and go to idle PC. So this will set an idle PC value which will make the router use little amount of CPU. Okay, over here you can see potentially better value idle PC as marked. Here we have only one proposition. Okay, so let's accept this one. Now we'll be starting console now. Right click on the router, go to console. This should start a terminal on back. Yeah, you can just use your Mac button and tab to put the terminal in front. Yeah, you can see here terminal is there. Here we are, you can try it up. Okay, now it has started. Yeah, so I think that's all for this topic. And for those who want to emulate the QEMU for GNS3, I'll be doing it for my next tutorial. But I found some interesting, one interesting blog about that. So I'll be just showing you what I found. You can just look over there and do your own research here. You can just type on Google QEMU GNS on IOX. So you'll just select the first proposition. You'll just go to this blog. It has been done by someone, and it's a pretty detailed step-by-step procedure. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks current. It looks good, and maybe after testing I'll be showing you also in the video. So just go through that and give me some news in the case you try before me. So hope this video have been informative for you, and let's see for the next one. Thank you.